Hey guys, welcome to Sarah's Art channel. Now this is a recycled, it's actually not recycled. I actually drew this piece for a normal pastel painting, but I did not go ahead with it, so I'm just going to pour over it. Now as we all have seen the beautiful Ireland photo where the center is golden, there's black sand, and there is blue greenish seawater, and so I want to use the same colors into my painting. Now I actually didn't want to show this because this I felt like the sales went overboard, but some of you have commented that you love this piece and you want to know how I did this, so this is the process video for it. And this is for you because I love you guys and I want you to know how I did this painting. So this is for you. So now can you see that I pour the white base down first before I pour the yellow on top of it, because I want the white to cover. Now if you do this to any pour, if you want the yellows or the oranges or whatever bright colors, transparent colors, if you want them to stay bright, the trick is to always add a white below them, and then they will forever stay beautiful above the white layer. So that's one trick for you. Now I'm just gonna simply pour the paints here and there. Be very careful because yellow, green, and purple and orange, you definitely get a brown, but I want this to mix, and so I've got to be really careful of how I mix it. So I'm just gonna pour paints simply, as you can see, and then I'm going to do swipe on it, swipe with the black base color. So my paints are mixed with water only, but I do put in 1-2 drops of silicone oil, and by right I should have just put in one drop of silicone oil, but I put a bit too much, so I had a lot of cells. So I actually want this to, to be like a golden river in the space, and then the stars are all shining, so it's like a golden river in the universe, in the galaxy. But yeah, I went overboard with the silicone oil, so you gotta be really careful about it. My black, I did not put any silicone oil on it though, only for the bright colors I put silicone oil in it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to me. Please click the like button and the notification button too, so you can get updates from me. And I'd love to hear from you, so please comment. So enjoy this video and see you guys at the end of this video. see that my torch is on high mode, which is really high right now, and I'm burning oil, so I'm torching oil. So please be very careful. Like, I've experimented many times, so you know, I roughly know what my paints can take and what my paints can't take. But if you're new to this technique and you put a lot of silicone oil and you want to torch it, please try to avoid on high heat, because you might burn the oil and you might cause a fire, and I don't want that to happen. So be very careful, know your tools, and yeah, just be very careful with it. Here I have my favorite tool, which is just a spoon, a plastic spoon. I love to use recycled stuff, so from now on you might see a lot of recycled paint plastics, or paint cups, or spatula, or popsicle sticks, spoons, forks. They're all recycled. I use again and again and again because I find that this is the best way to keep painting. I find that it's very wasteful to keep using new cups and new tools. I find, yeah, it's just a waste of money and materials. So keep it simple, recycle stuff, and have fun pouring. Now this is the final result. It's beautiful. I thought that by mixing black everything would turn brown, but as I said, if you mix white at the correct spot, the colors will shine out bright beautifully. So the colors here, you can see they're all very vivid, even though I swept it with black, and even though there are yellows and orange, but the colors did not mix and turn brownish, so that is great. The colors, just look at them. They're just amazing. Look at all the cells, like, this is amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you guys think about this piece, and if you have any comments, please write it down, or I'll read it and get back to you. So can you see this horse face? This is called the Golden River, the golden horse of the space. Now this is when it has dried. Can you see it's shiny because of the silicone oil? So, but it dries beautifully. Look at it. This is gorgeous. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys soon again. Bye!